if you want to add more language to your store. Firstly, make sure you have completed all steps in setting up Market on Shopify. Step 2. In Transcy, go to Language menu. Click Add Target Language button. Choose the target language you want to add. Depending on your subscription and purpose, you can choose to add basic language or advanced language. For advanced language, all your translation will be saved on a server. You can manage or edit them in the Manage Translation section. After selecting a language, you will need to assign it to your target market. Basic language simply works like Google Translate, so your translation won't be saved on a server and you cannot edit, manage, or choose the assigned market. After finished, click Add. Now you can see your selected languages on your dashboard. Your market's data will be synced from Shopify within a minute. If your data have not synced automatically, click Sync Markets Data. Step 3. Turn on Publish button for a language to appear on your website switcher. The basic language will translate automatically after publishing. For advanced language, if you want to automatically translate content in all your stores, enable the third-party app function. You can also have some extra settings for a language right here if you want to change language flag. For example, by default, English language will appear with British flag, but if you want to change it to United States flag, you can do so right here. You can also edit name, short name, and native name right here, and click Save. Thank you for choosing Transcy to start moving your business globally. If you need any help, do not hesitate to chat with our customer service. We're always here to help your business grow.